What's going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky, I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. Oh, we got a good one. We got a SovCit in front of Judge Stevens. I don't know if I've ever seen a SovCit in front of Judge Stevens, but I think we all know exactly how Judge Stevens would handle a SovCit, and yeah, it pretty much happens exactly that way. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
23 CR 1672, Gilbert Bullard. Is that you? You speak. You have to
Yes,
speak, sir.
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
good deal.
I want to make sure that, for the record, when you say is that you, are you talking about a fictitious entity or are you talking about me myself? I don't want to represent.
As a human being,
Yes, sir.
you know, like we all are in this room. Okay? Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right.
But
So you're going to represent yourself? Is that what you want to do?
Well, I'm not one to represent myself because I know that it's pretty much just shooting myself in the
Yeah,
head.
yeah, it's true. You know, there's rules you don't know.
Correct. And I actually put in for a bill of particulars for the prosecutor to answer in order for me to, try to proceed, but I hadn't got an answer back from the prosecutor pertaining to my bill of particulars.
Okay. You know, you're mixing up a lot of civil law with criminal law. Bill of particulars really aren't used literally in any practice. You have the indictment, and there are other ways of getting more information, but the bill of particulars would only give you more information than, and I don't know what other information.
Well, I was
This
trying
is
to-
this. Me speak, you speak. Me speak, you speak. She can't take two people speaking in a second.
Sorry about that.
Bill of particulars is probably not the wisest effort to make because you're not going to get relief in a criminal court for a bill of particulars, but there may be some other matters of ways. But that's what happens when you don't have a lawyer. Are you able to afford a lawyer?
Well, that was an issue at one point. My family's been helping me doing all.
Do you have an income yourself?
Registered nurse by trade, but with this charge on it's been difficult to find any type of,
Okay. Wow.
so that's been the caveat at this point.
Well, I'm just asking you, income right now, you have zero income?
Well, pretty much I have some income because, I've been living off my life savings at this point.
Okay, well, what's that left? What do you have left there?
2,000,
How much?
2,000,
Look, what we're gonna do is, give it.
All right, so this guy doesn't understand what a SovCit is, and he also doesn't understand what income is. All right, he's already been scared off the sovereign citizen nonsense right away. We're all human beings in this room. Are you okay? Right off the bat, the guy's like, oh, maybe this wasn't a good idea. He's going to say a few more things, but Judge handled that perfectly. And yeah, the whole income thing. Yeah, savings isn't income, man. That's just money that you have based on income in the past, but that doesn't mean that counts as income. Otherwise, yeah, you know what? Don't say that because the government's going to start taxing it. All right, let's go.
One of those indigent trees. Fill that out. And right now in your income, the way it is, we may be able just to appoint you a lawyer. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. And appointed lawyer, they have so many cases going.
That's the way it is. That's the way it is. But look, I had a lot of cases when I was a lawyer, and We do, they know more about this than you do.
Correct.
And you are at a great disadvantage
Correct.
if you come in here without legal assistance.
Correct.
That's it. But you're a grown up, just like me. You get to make your own choice.
I definitely came here in order. I can't.
Don't make a bad choice. That's going to hurt your life forever. You're worried about being a nurse. I can guarantee you a conviction in a trial, you don't get deferred probation. You get convicted, and convictions pretty much are forever. A felony conviction follows you around the rest of your life. Why don't you fill one of those things out
Yes, sir.
that you're going to get, and then let me look at it, and then we can get somebody maybe appointed to represent you, to help you
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
have a fighting chance, because you won't if you don't know the rules, because you're held to knowing the rules.
Right.
And I'm not going to be able to help you. You can't ask me, what should I do, Jack? I can't tell you.
And I'll try it. And I truly respect you guys' profession, because it is difficult trying to learn the law, even though I feel like we should learn that in school, but but it is what it is.
Well, look, if you told me to take somebody's blood pressure, I'd have a hard time figuring out how to do that. I mean, it's just what your trade, what you've done and you're used to and you're trained for. You're not trained for
War.
practicing law in here.
Correct. Now,
All right, just fill that out. Let me get back with me here a little bit.
that's right.
What are we going to do? Let's say I'm going to reset.
All right. For anyone that's sticking around, that is the end of the SovCit script. He does come back up. They do make a few comments about it at the end of this, after a lawyer is appointed to him. And it's kind of funny. Like I said, Judge scared the SovCit right out of him. He didn't know what he was doing. He even admitted that it's hard to learn this on your own, which means he was using Google. So it's good that he was, trying to do this on his own. But you got to make sure the sources you're looking at aren't sovereign citizen sources. That's not going to help you. All right, let's finish this one up.
So come on up, Mr. Bullard. On this income thing, your income is VA and other income odd jobs, correct? Right now,
Yes, sir.
so $675, right? You have other assets, car,
Yes, sir.
house, but those assets, if you sold those, you wouldn't be able to live or go anywhere, right? You'd be walking around as a street person, correct? Is that right?
I have custody of a 20-year-old son, and that's, to give him a place.
Okay, here you get an attorney appointed to represent you, okay? And on Mr. Bullard, we're going to appoint one of the public defenders on his case. Okay. No, the public defender. Try that. Hey, Langston,
Yes, sir.
you able to represent him? Yeah, as a public defender?
Don't mind, but if he wants, the thing is that when I was on the case, he filed the motion saying he wanted to represent himself as himself, and I said, okay, but whatever, I'm fine.
I think he's changed his mind on that. He's talking. I think after understanding realities of what happens in representing yourself, I think he's changed his mind.
That's fine. I'm good.
Um,
We good. We'll get together and talk.
okay, all right.
All right, that's it. That was the last comment that I was talking about. Yeah, I was representing him, and then he wanted to represent himself, and you could tell the confusion by the public defenders. Like, wasn't this guy SovCit 5 minutes ago? All right, that's it. If you haven't hit the like button already, please hit the like button. And until next time, bye.
No problem.
Who's the attorney on that one?
It's Sarah.
Sarah, Miss Shaw, the attorney. Okay, and it will be reset at another time for y'all to be ready. Okay, get a resetting. Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Yeah.
Next week.